people in Darus Salam will never be worried about anything. Ultimate peace. That is why it's called Darus Salam. Of the terms that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses to describe this abode is Darus Salam. And this is used twice in the Qur'an. In Surah Yunus verse 25, Allah says, Wallahu yad'u ila Daris Salam. Allah is calling to Daris Salam. And in Surah Al-An'am verse 127, Allah says, Lahum Darus Salami inda Rabbihim. They shall have Darus Salam with their Lord, or in the presence of their Lord. So the Darus Salam, what is Darus Salam? The word dar means abode, or place that you live in. And of course, salam here means the ultimate place of peace. Salam, there is no harm. Salam, there is no evil. Salam, there is no suffering. Salam, there is no pain. Salam, there is nothing but peace. That's what salam here means. So the abode of salam is the land in which there is never going to be any pain or suffering, no anguish, no grief, no anxiety. There is not a single day that goes by in our lives except that something is worrying us, something is troubling us. Either there's physical pain or there's mental anguish. It is impossible really day goes by except that there's some worry that comes across our mind, because this is not the abode of salam. In Jannah, there is no worry, no grief. And that's why Allah says, La khawfun alayhim wa lahum yahzanun. They will not fear, nor will they worry. And that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, when the people enter Jannah, they say, Alhamdulillahi alladhi adhaba anna al-hazan. We thank Allah who has removed all anxiety from us. The people in Darus Salam will never be worried about anything. Ultimate peace. That is why it's called Darus Salam. Darus Salam also implies that the people will be greeted with salam. And this is also in the Qur'an, that when the people enter Jannah, wherever they go, they will hear salam, and they will see the angels, and the angels will say to them, Salamun alaykum tibtum, that peace be upon you, may you live in peace. And the people of Jannah will say salam to them, and most importantly, Allah Himself will greet them with salam. Salamun qawlan min Rabbir Rahim. Salam, it shall be a word from an ever merciful Lord. And so subhanallah, we have here the beauty of calling Jannah Darus Salam, because remember, one of the names of Allah is As-Salam. Allah Azza wa Jal is the source of peace, and His religion is Islam, and He commanded us to spread salams, and He calls to Darus Salam, and the angels will greet the people of heaven with salam. And so when the people of Islam who spread salams in this earth and followed Islam, they follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they walk towards Darus Salam. Therefore, when they enter Darus Salam, As-Salam will greet them with the greetings of salam. And that's what Allah says, Salamun qawlan min Rabbir Rahim. And that's why it is called Darus Salam, the abode of salam. Nobody shall feel anger towards another. Nobody shall feel jealousy. Nobody shall feel hatred. Our Prophet ﷺ said, La ikhtilafa baynahum wa la tabaghud. There will be no differing in Jannah. There will be no animosity in Jannah. Qulubuhum qalbu rajulin wahid. Their hearts will be united as if it is one heart. Can you imagine? Every one of us has to deal with grief, with anguish, with talk, and with kalam, and with qila wa qal, with backbiting, with politics. Every one of us has to deal with backstabbing and this and that. That's the reality of this world. When you enter Jannah, nothing but peace. Nobody is going to backbite you. Nobody is going to cause you any issue. How can it not be called Darus Salam?
ويا خجلي إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييته تعصيني ولا تخشى من العتب وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وتأبى في الهوى قربي فتب مما جنيت عسى تعود إلى رضا الرب تعود إلى رضا الرب